use throughout this newscast, but let's jump into our big stories of the day. Perhaps on the global scene, none bigger than the revelation of a cancer diagnosis for Princess Kate.
We'll have more on that coming up. Also, the update on Project NePTWNE in Erie County, as there is a new support system for this controversial project involving the Blasco Library and Gannon University. And
the House passing a spending bill, the Senate still talking about it, inching closer to averting that government shutdown, kicking the can down the road until September. Details in moments.
My medical team therefore advised that I should undergo a course of preventative chemotherapy, and I'm now in the early stages of that treatment. This, of course,
Princess Kate has revealed a cancer diagnosis. The Princess of Wales announcing today that she was diagnosed with cancer after undergoing abdominal surgery and is now in the midst of chemotherapy.
The 42-year-old broke her silence after weeks of widespread speculation about her health. She'd been hospitalized for about 2 weeks at the private London clinic after having abdominal surgery in January. It was thought that her condition was non-cancerous, but she says tests proved otherwise. She said she was undergoing a course of preventative chemotherapy on the advice of her medical team.
And she did not specify in this video what type of cancer she has or what stage it is. She did thank the public, though, for their support, but also asked for time and privacy while completing her treatment. This is the second royal family member dealing with cancer. King Charles himself diagnosed with an undisclosed type of cancer last month. He's been undergoing treatment as well. Well, this Friday, the House voting 286 to 134 to pass a sweeping $1.2 trillion government funding bill, sending it to the Senate just hours before the deadline to prevent a shutdown.
This bill, released early Thursday, funds the Department of Homeland Security, Department of State, Labor, Defense, Health and Human Services, among others. Together with $459 billion passed earlier this month, it fully funds the federal government to the tune of $1.6 trillion. That money runs out in September. 100 senators, though, still discussing it. They need to vote on this bill before the midnight deadline. If that doesn't happen, the government would be forced into a partial shutdown tomorrow morning.